of here.
Brooke is gonna offer you a ride. It's imperative you.
Do you wanna ride?
Yes!
Oh, but I'm supposed to meet my friend Michael.
Oh,
Jeremy, if this is gonna work, you need to do as Ian's job.
Jeremy. Do you wanna ride? Do you wanna ride? Do you wanna ride? Wanna go far? Do you wanna get? Do you wanna get? Do you wanna get inside my mother's car? Drive it on home. Don't you say no, dearie, can you be coerced? Holding a snatch, only one catch. We gotta stop the frozen yogurt thirst. Do you wanna ride? Do you wanna ride? Do you wanna ride? Wanna go far? Do you wanna get? Do you wanna get? Do you wanna get inside my mother's car? Driving on home, don't you say no, dearie, can you be coerced? Holding a snatch, only one catch. We gotta stop the frozen yogurt thirst. Pinkberry.
Next time. I promise. Whatever.
My boyfriend cheated on me too. Ex-boyfriend. So, I know how you feel.
Brooke, come on.